Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here with the bullish and bearish scenarios overview. What we are looking at Ethereum, we have of course an impulse toward the upside here with the yellow scenario where we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing wave 1 or a wave A of course. And in this case scenario, you're looking definitely for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as usual, or we're looking at an A, B, and a C toward the upside. The difference is that the blue count, the impulse, would like to seek, of course, for a higher price. The wave C will finish around the wave 3 almost. And then, of course, finishing one leg, of course, and moving toward the downside. Now, in this case scenario, we have, of course, a problem with this area. This area, of course, is corrective definitely. But my problem with it is that when I take it as a regular flat, it gives me the one-to-one fib level at 759, which I see it very, very low price for Ethereum. And therefore, I start to seek for other possibilities, what it might happen for Ethereum rather than moving from 5,000 to 750, which is a very, very low price. And it's a little bit also like not convincing that we're moving in a impulse toward the downside. I know we see a lot of red, but my problem is with this wave here, where of course you took the high here. This one is higher than this point here, giving the feeling that this, of course, is a 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Yeah. Okay, let's take this scenario. What scenario can open for me such a case where we have, of course, 3 waves down here? This scenario can be, of course, a triangle. With this triangle, I can call a wave B finished here. Yeah, I can call a wave B finished exactly here in 3 waves toward the upside. And as you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down again, potentially even lower, it doesn't matter, finishing wave C, then continuation, 3 waves up for D, 3 waves up for E, and then moving higher for a wave C towards the upside. Now, why it is wave C? Because in a triangle, it is of course much more possible, or I would say 99%, it is a wave B, because it is not allowed a wave 2 to be a triangle. Your wave 2 is always a flat zigzag or WXY. Triangle is mostly for a wave B or for a wave 4, and that because of course after a massive move towards the upside, the price start to consolidate and to find the right price for this coin, and of course then therefore moving towards the upside. Therefore, this possibility is the highest possibility for me for Ethereum, where we are looking for A, B, and a C towards the upside. Now, another scenario, it can be, of course, as a bullish, that we have double 1, 2s, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here finishing an impulse. Wave 2, of course, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, another impulse for second 1, 2. Your 1, 2 here still needs, of course, to be a flat. That is my problem again with this flat, of course, where, yeah, it might, of course, hit again the 0.38 fib level, which is the minimum requirement, 1000 at least, which is also can be possible, but I don't like it as well, right? So I don't still not convinced from 5,000 to 1,000, right? This is the idea, which is 20% drop for Ethereum. However, if this happened, guys, I know that this happened already here, yeah, in 1000 almost, but it can still be, of course, in case this is a scenario, yeah, it is also possible. And moving, of course, for higher from there for 34545, which is, of course, much higher bullish scenario here. It's true that we dive very, very deep, but you will go very, very high from it. Yeah, this is the idea. Yeah, so this is the second possible scenario for me actually, but my problem with it, before I turn it off, my problem also with it is this. If we are in a wave 1, 2, because Ethereum went very high and very fast towards the upside, even faster than Bitcoin in terms of growth ratio, so 0.23, yeah, as a wave 2, not convincing, right? Therefore, the second possible scenario. Now, This scenario is very low, of course, as your wave 2. If you are looking for a big wave 1 here, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, this one is very low. Therefore, third possibility, I would say, I prefer to break a triangle first, invalidate a triangle, which is the most possible scenario, and then start thinking or moving, shifting to this scenario. This is the idea what's going on in Ethereum in overview. On the 4-hour chart, we are looking, of course, at those three waves toward the downside. Three waves up, and then we are seeking, of course, for a wave C after A, B, and a C. Your wave C has to be 5 waves. Impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Everything is fine, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Everything is fine until here, where we find, of course, a wave 4 in magenta, very sharp and fast in time when you compare it with this wave 2, which I don't like it. That means higher possibility that your wave 4 is not finished yet. Because of the time here, very shallow, it gives me the idea that this wave belongs to this wave and not a wave 5, meaning this might be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, but finishing wave 5 in white. Yeah, meaning shifting, of course, these counts for lower and potentially finishing wave C there. Higher possibility. Why? Because, yeah, I mean, timing is very important as well. It's not a rule, but it is a guideline. If you take the timing of this wave 2, it's incredible very far from this wave 4 here. Yeah, very far. Therefore, you have to take this in kind of like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, to finish a wave 5 here. With it, you're gonna finish wave 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, meaning possibly even to move a little bit lower here in this box. Now, 1-to-1 Fib level still in target, I would say. If we get a wave 5, potentially 4 and a 5, it can be in this area. I would say let's extend anyway our box inside this area, which is in confluence. Yeah, in confluence in of what? Let me explain. Of course, this ABC, of course, is an expanding flat, right? Because your wave B here has took the high. Yeah. So A, B, and a C, meaning you're looking for an expanding flat wave C 1.38, 1.618, which is this box. Yeah. Another confluence in target that it might be here, but by the way, this has to be updated, sorry, with the new law, taking the price from the wave 1 here, yeah, that's true, and the bottom of the wave 3, here we go. Now we get much clearer confluence, and the target is getting tighter and tighter and much more precise, right? So we have a wave 3, potentially even still changing and moving for lower, yeah, and then yeah, potentially even getting this one. But currently, let's leave it, of course, where it has been taken. I know this, I have to update it in every analysis with every low, but it's fine. This is how we bring our target to much more accuracy and precision, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. That would be a perfect finish, right? 1.618, very nice. For a wave C and expanding flat, 1-to-1 Fib level taken from the 1 here, based on the wave 3, which it can be even, of course, much more reduced, less or more, of course, based on the low here. However, this box is very interesting. 1,400, 1,370 can be our target for Ethereum for this wave. And this wave is gonna finish higher potential this scenario, right? In this zigzag. Here we go. This is what we were expecting for the triangle, by the way, exactly there. And that's why I give a higher possibility for this triangle here. Yeah. And even it might take a little bit longer time, guys. So let's expand this. Here we go. Yep, so that was it for Ethereum. If you are interested with H bar and Pepe, and today for render, they are of course analyzed and given on the X account. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.